For the past 20 years, I've dedicated my life to helping people buy and sell real estate. My journey has allowed me to learn so much about our local communities and businesses. I'm frequently asked, Randy, what's hot and what's not? My name is Randy Ora, and this is an Ora Group Hotspot. Hi, it's Randy Ora with the Ora Group and another episode of Hotspots. I'm standing in front of Thrive Juice Lab in Laguna Niguel, and often when I'm craving a delicious smoothie or a great tasting salad and I don't have a lot of time, I'm here probably once or twice a week. Let's go inside and talk to Cole Carson, the owner, and find out what more Thrive Juice Lab is all about.
Hey Cole, how you doing, bud?
I'm well, thanks for coming.
Thanks for having us today.
Yeah.
Hey, I want to know what makes Thrive Juice Lab different than all the other places. You know I'm here like once or twice a week.
Yeah.
Why is it so good?
Well, we like to call it a wellness cafe rather than a juice bar. We're not your ordinary juice bar.
Okay.
We do all organic, gluten-free, non-dairy. We specialize in superfoods. We have everything from kamu, rikuma, maca to shilajit.
Okay. You know that frequently I'm here for a quick lunch. I want to eat healthy and clean.
Sure.
I'm always getting your autumn salad. What makes that thing so delicious?
Well, I think it's our hands-on approach to finding freshest local ingredients. We work with local farms. Our distributors go straight to the farms here in California and bring us the produce rather than working with big wholesale distributors. So having the freshest ingredients, and they're all our own recipes. We make our own salad dressings. We make our salads fresh right here in the back every day.
It's all delicious. Can we go back and take a look at where the kitchen is and what happens back there?
Absolutely.
Because that's the magic place, right?
Yeah, it's the laboratory.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
So Cole, here's where all the magic happens. Tell me what's going on. These guys, they look really busy.
Oh yeah, these are two of Thrive's finest right here. They're making superfood smoothies. I think she's making the Antioxidant Supreme, which is a delicious berry smoothie. It's got strawberries, blueberries, goji berry. She's pouring our sprouted almond milk there that we make in-house.
Okay, so everything is made fresh to order?
Everything is made fresh as it comes in.
So Cole, this is a monster-looking machine. What the heck? What is this?
This is our cannon. No, this is a hydraulic cold press machine. So these retail for about $28,000. We cold press all of our juice right here, fresh every single morning, 7 days a week.
Why is cold press so important?
So with cold press juice, you're literally squeezing the juice out.
Okay.
With these plates right here, rather than hitting a spinning blade, creates heat and friction, it oxidizes the juice. So this minimizes the oxidation and it goes right into the bottle.
Okay.
And then it's shelf stable for up to 3 days because of that.
Okay. So it sounds like you're really serious about what kind of a product you deliver.
We are very serious about juicing, and the fact that we do this here in-house every day is what really sets us apart. A lot of juice companies have their own commercial kitchens or they use shared equipment. So a lot of the juice places, you're getting them from the same place that you get it at any other juice place.
So if I come to you at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I get a juice, when was it made?
It was made fresh that morning.
Awesome.
But we can also make you something with our centrifugal juicer, like whatever you wanted on the spot. You can make your own.
Oh, cool.
So here we have our wellness fridge. Those are all of our cold pressed juices. We press fresh in-house every day. We bottle them by hand, label them. We have our all organic salads and soups, kombucha, and on top you can see a bunch of our wellness shots there for various things, and a lot of gluten-free snacks there that we make: chia pudding, paleo patties, raw balls.
Hi, welcome. Hi. So we've never been here before. What's good? Well, our smoothies and bowls are really good, but we also have juices and other things like snacks and salads. What's your favorite bowl? The pitaya bowl. Pitaya bowl? Yeah, I'll have a pitaya bowl. Here you go, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Thank you. Good. Come see us at Thrive Juice Lab!
So this concludes another episode of the Ora Group Hotspots. I want to ask you to try Thrive. You won't be disappointed. Also, please like, comment, and share this post. If you know of any other businesses that we should be taking a look at, please use the commentary to let us know. We'll check it out for sure. If we can help you with your real estate, we'd be honored. Randy Orr with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, changing lives one home at a time.